You are going to love the 2023 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 2.7-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: running boards, perimeter alarm, Inside you'll find backup camera, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, 8 speakers, tinted glass, universal garage door opener, power adjustable pedals, compass. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.